in Asakusa now.
Gorgeous temple.
That's a pagoda.
Oh, sorry, that's a pagoda.
The temple.
And that's the temple over there?
The temple of Asakusa is right here.
There.
The temple is called Sensoji, which is a Buddhist temple built in the 7th century. Visitors will approach a huge bronze incense burner and bathe themselves in smoke, which is a charm to ward off illness, before approaching the temple and offering their prayers. To the left of the temple there's a beautiful koi pond where you can see many different colors of koi. Nakemise Shopping Street is lined with over 50 stores selling local goods and many souvenirs, as well as a ton of delicious food.
Is it good? Are you enjoying it? Hey, that's mine.
After enjoying the sweets, we ended up swinging by the woodblock print shop of David Bull, who I'm a huge fan of from his Kickstarter days, as well as his YouTube channel, and it's super cool to see him. He gave a really nice tour of the place and made me want to buy way too many woodblock prints.
So we went to Cafe Byron Bay, which is fun.
Nice and cozy.
Super nice, cozy. Interesting owner, which has gone on about guy problems, which is pretty funny.
Oh, yeah.
So now on to Skytree.
We then took a 20-minute walk over the Sumida River, past the iconic Asahi Beer Tower, towards Tokyo Skytree, which was a television broadcast tower, and at the time of its construction, in 2012, was the second tallest building in the world. After a little lineup, we got tickets to go up to the main observation tower, which is at 350 meters high, and the views are breathtaking. Also towering over everyone was the Chinese basketball player Yao Ming, who happened to be there that day. We watched sunset and then made our way up to the second observation tower, which is at 450 meters high.
We're in Tokyo Skytree, the tallest tower now, and the view is pretty crazy behind us.
Really amazing. We are at Amara, the Indian restaurant, about to eat, getting some good food in, hopefully, and I'm pretty hungry. And we just got down from that Skytree, from the Skytree, which was amazing, but now it's time to eat.
Skytree, and we went back through Asakusa Temple, which was really cool.
At night time, it was quite majestic, actually.
And now we head home. That's the thing.